In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Amazon wish list. Sharing your list is perfect for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, or any time you want to make gift-giving easier. I'll walk you through the process clearly and give you helpful tips along the way so you can share confidently and control who can see or edit your list. First, open the wish list you want to share. On a desktop browser, go to Amazon.com and sign in to your account. Hover over Account and Lists at the top, then select your lists. You'll see all the lists you've created. Click the specific wish list you want to share so you land on its main page. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right list and that the items you want to share are visible here. Next, look for the Invite or Share button near the top of the wish list page. This is the control that opens up all your sharing options. Click or tap it to bring up the sharing panel. The exact wording or icon can vary slightly depending on your device, but it's always near the top of the list page. Now choose how you want to share. If you pick email, Amazon will generate a link and help you send it directly to someone's email address. This is great if you want to keep things tidy and private between you and the recipient. If you choose Copy Link, Amazon puts a unique link on your clipboard. You can paste that link anywhere, into a text message, a group chat, a social media post, or a note to yourself. You may also see options to share through other apps on your device, like messaging services or social platforms. Use whatever method fits the way you typically communicate with friends and family. A quick tip: consider sending the link to yourself first to make sure it opens the correct list. Before you finalize, set your permissions. You'll usually see two choices: View Only, which lets people see your wish list without changing anything, or View and Edit, which allows others to add or remove items. View Only is best for most gift occasions, so your list stays exactly the way you curated it. View and Edit is useful for collaborative gifting when multiple people are coordinating. A few privacy reminders. By default, new wish lists are private, which means only you can see them until you choose to share. After you share, anyone with the link can view it, depending on the permissions you set. If you ever change your mind, you can return to your list settings to adjust permissions or stop sharing. And that's it! Your Amazon wish list is now shared.